Hi there, my name is Naveen, and this is my platform called Creatively.ai. It's a content creation platform. Primary focus is to create AI images, AI videos, and it has four modes. The first one is called Flow. As you can see, it's a node-based workflow. It also has something called Focused and Editor, which I'll get into later. To create images on my platform, you create image node, you type a prompt, and you choose the model of your choice. In this case, I'm using Gemini's Nano Banana Pro, and I generate. Whilst that's generating, let me show you some of the features of my platform. In flow mode, you have something called sets, image sets, which allow you to create variations of an image, whether you want to create from text to image, or create videos. And also, if you want to edit videos, all of that can be done using this interface. So there's also features called immersive or studio mode, which means that when you select a node, you can either see the widgets directly on the canvas, or you can use it through here, the sidebar approach. There's the buttons on the left side with templates. But anyway, I'll get into the details later. If I want to edit an image, I'll drag this node, create image, and maybe I want to change this into a dragon. Let's see what happens. Let me show you some of the features while that's generating. So you have an asset viewer if you want to traverse the images in this platform. And this should generate a edited image with a dragon instead of the kitten. Perfect. Okay, now let's generate some variations of this. Sorry. And there you go. This should generate probably like about 6 different variations of that dragon based on these 6 predefined prompts. Cool. So the retro 80s and 90s. This one, I'm guessing it's the cute mascot character. This one is the cyberpunk street food. Some didn't generate, but that's okay. That's expected. Like the prompts. Oh, you can see the dragon is in the little stool. Okay, or table. I want to now move on to focus. There's a lot more features, but I don't want to get into. So let's just say it's a content creation platform that allows you to create nodes and do lots of stuff in the AI image video space. Focus generation mode is my favorite one. It is a canvas-based approach, which means that you have a prompt, you just have an image at the top. So you can type it, select a model of your choice, and then press generate. There's an asset viewer that you can click on images. If you want to download, there's light mode and dark mode, similar to the flow mode. There's light mode and dark mode. I prefer dark mode, but I'm not going to click the dark mode for longer because you can't see me. Let's make some edits. The primary focus of focus mode is quick generation as well as canvas-based editing. So this amazing fluffy green mascot dragon, let's add a little puppy next to it. I want to add it on the left side. Add a puppy. So this should generate the puppy only where I've sort of masked an area. And of course, it's going to be a bit slow depending on the provider. The power of this platform is that it allows you to use your own API keys, Gemini, Replicate, and WaveSpeed, which have loads of models, which means that you're in charge of your own models and how much cost you want to associate to generations. Perfect. Now let's add some birds floating in the top. Bird. And this should generate it right where I more or less sort of highlighted the area. So you see this original generation, we added a dog. And now in about 1 or 2 seconds, we'll see perfect. Okay, it kind of kept the theme of the image. You can see the bird is very, I don't know, animated or Pixar-like. Finale is the video editor, which I'm quite proud of. This is your traditional editor, it has light mode, dark mode as usual. But the power of this is that your layers aren't just layers. You can edit these layers. You can edit them in 2 modes, standard or immersive. This is the immersive mode, if you prefer. And this is the standard mode, where there's a left side bar, and you can edit these images. So I generated 3 edits to an image. And I also did videos, by the way. You can edit videos directly on the video editor. So I added pigtails. And then I also added a hat by just typing a prompt. In this, the power of this editor is that you can generate all of your AI content directly on the video editor. Create images, upload videos, edit videos, and then you can just export it. So that's essentially the core applications of my platform. And I can also show you the final app, which I'm recording on currently, called Screen Recorder. What you're seeing is from my screen recorder, and there's different layouts, different sort of templates I've created. It's very customizable where you want to position the avatar. It's essentially a suite of tools for content creators. It allows you to do whatever you want when it comes to AI image generation, AI video generation in a node-based approach, in a canvas-based approach. And I'm in early/beta testing. I've grinded hard for 7 months. So any feedback, features, bugs, please do report them. And there's a button here. This will tell me what is going wrong, what critical bugs there are that I need to fix before I launch it in hopefully 2 weeks. So that's Creatively.ai, a platform that I've built from the ground up for over 7 months, and it's taken me a long time, both front end and back end. So do try it out, test it, tell me what you think of it, and let me know. So yeah. Okay, this is the final feature I want to showcase. This is called, it's called Studio Projects. The overall goal is for users to share projects that they're keen on, whether it's sharing a workflow, sharing the way they edited a particular project. In this case, I'm sharing my Creatively promo video. This shows the entire node workflow and the assets that I used for the final outcome. The video editor will show you exactly the assets that I used and the cuts that I used to get the next outcome. The goal with this shared project is that I'll be sharing more and more unique projects within the pre-plan or the paid plan, and so that others can also share interesting projects. Okay, that's all. So yeah.